one driving an unregistered motorbike on the footpath. Jumping the lights, unregistered motor vehicle. And a couple of idiots who don't understand how a crossing works. Another one jumping the lights. Hope you get hit by a bus, you piece of shit. And that's a close pass from the twat on the unregistered motorbike there. Driving an unregistered motorbike in our cycle lane there. Oh, another one jumping the lights. That's a right hook from the prat on the unregistered motorbike. Fucking dickhead. Bloody hell. It's absolute moron. There's one on the pavement. Oh, going the wrong way down a one-way street on an unregistered motorbike. And another twat on an unregistered motorbike. There's another one driving an unregistered motorbike on the pavement. Wow, what a lunatic. Show me the lights. Oh, another one driving an unregistered motorbike on the pavement. Street and on the footpath. Scumbags parked his van on the pavement again. And there's an unregistered motorbike going the wrong way up a one-way street with no lights on. Unregistered motorbike with no lights on and undertaking as well. A UMV with no lights.
I'll let you know when you let me know when you're home.
Oh, jumping the lights on his UMV on the wrong side of the road, jumping the lights. There's a twat cycling on the pavement. Oh, driving on the pavement, pardon me, it's an unregistered motor vehicle. Oh, look at that. UMV, wrong side of the road and on the pavement. Flat front tyre. That vehicle right enough. Looks like he's heading for the pavement again. Oh, jumping the lights! And he's driving his motorbike in our cycle lane. Another one cycling on the pavement. Pardon me, driving on the pavement, unregistered motorbike. Another UMV with no lights on. Another one there with no lights. Playing with her phone as well. Unregistered motor vehicle with no lights. Oh, there's one driving an unregistered motorbike in our cycle lane. Oh, a couple of UMVs jumping the lights there. Show me the lights. Arsehole on an unregistered motorbike. There's one driving driving an unregistered motorbike in the cycle path. Oh, there's one driving an unregistered motorbike in our cycle lane. Oh, there's somebody driving an unregistered motorbike in our cycle lane. Scumbag. Jump in the lights, unregistered motor vehicle. Jump in the lights. Another one jump in the lights.